Let's say I have that triangle again, and in this triangle, I'm talking about angle theta. The sine of angle theta is equal to A over C. Now, because this is a triangle, A, B, and C angles have to sum to 180 degrees. So the 90-degree angle plus theta plus some other angle has to sum to 180 degrees. 180 degrees equals 90 degrees because it's a right triangle plus theta degrees plus some unknown. So we've got 90 degrees is then equal to theta plus some unknown, or 90 degrees minus theta is equal to that unknown. So I could call this other angle 90 minus theta if I wanted to. Now, the cosine of 90 minus theta is equal to A over C. I could do the same thing with tangent and cotangent and secant and cosecant. This means that sine of theta and cosine of 90 minus theta are equal, and they are called cofunctions. So two angles are cofunctions if the trigonometric identity of one is equal to the trigonometric identity of 90 minus that angle. Here are the cofunction identities then. Sine of theta is equal to cosine of 90 degrees minus theta. Now, we know that 2 pi is equal to 360. We also know that pi is equal to 180. If I divided both pi and 180 degrees by 2, I would get pi over 2 equals 90 degrees. So pi over 2 represents 90 degrees. So these cofunction identities are saying the same thing. One is just in degree and one is in radian. Tangent and cotangent are cofunctions, and secant and cosecant are also cofunctions. We could be asked, find a cofunction with the same value. For certain angle measures like we saw above, 30, 60, 90, 45 degrees, we know what the actual value is of the trigonometric function. But there are some that we don't know because a circle has 360 degrees, which means there's any variety of degree measurement that we could find sine and cosine for. So whenever you are approximating on your calculator, you need to check your mode. On my TI-84, there's a mode button. You press the mode and then you can adjust and toggle back and forth between degree and radian. If you see DEG at the top of your calculator screen, that means you're in degree. And if you see RAD, that means you're in radians. Trigonometric functions can be used to solve a lot of problems that are difficult to measure in real life. And angles are often measured relative to some imaginary horizontal line. The angle of elevation is from that horizontal line up, and the angle of depression is from that horizontal line down. We could use this information to determine how tall the lighthouse is. If we knew how far away the boat was, we could find the angle if we knew the height of the lighthouse and how far away the boat was. You could find all sorts of information using angles of depression and angles of elevation. That's it for this section. Thanks for watching.